come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Saunders Journey.
Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? So, this morning, come with us. It's ortho day. So, I've had braces now for how long now, babe? 7 months? Since December. It's
I'm
now.
not really sure.
Since December. It's now. Today's now what?
Today is
July
July.
28th. So about 7
Yeah.
months. Usually you get your teeth cleaned every 6 months, but because I have braces, I just want to make sure my mouth is okay. So I just had a cleaning in April and I scheduled another one. So I'm heading to ortho to get my wires taken out, and then I'm going to go get my teeth cleaned and get it put in back in. So I'm just taking you guys along with the journey with me, guys. So come along. That's all we're doing today, really.
Okay, guys, just come along with us as we take you on our journey. Bye for now. So, guys, we're parked and we're on our way to the orthodontist.
Yes, to just
Okay.
take my wires off so I could get my teeth cleaned. And don't mind my hair. He took my braids out last night.
I'm gonna help you out.
Yes. You took it out.
Okay.
Thank God. Thank God for
Yeah.
you.
So I'm gonna charge.
It charged.
Yeah.
And then my mom just threw some big dookie braids in there because I didn't get it washed yet. So that's temporary. So don't mind my hair, guys. So yeah. So yeah, I'm about to go in to the other door right now.
So, guys, just come along with us as we take you on our day. It's a dentist day. Not for me though, for Fluffy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm a little bit excited because they're gonna take my tongue crib out. The guys, I don't know, he didn't even come up to, but they weren't doing much. So they took the wires out and the color off, so just the brackets. So I'm about to go get my teeth cleaned now, and then I gotta come back here. So it's now 8:51. I was supposed to get it taken off at 8:45, but they were having a little meeting. My teeth cleaning is at 9:30. I can literally walk from here, but we have to move the car because the car can't park there for long. So we're gonna go now to go clean my teeth, then come back here. At my appointment here is at 12:25, so I'm gonna have probably like a couple hours to spare. So yeah, I probably just walk around the shopping mall a little bit and I shop until it's time for me to come back this way because it's literally like really close. Like we can walk, as I said. But yeah. So yeah. Hey guys, it's braces vlog day. So I got the wires taken off. I'm gonna get my teeth cleaned. So yeah. See?
Alright, guys, what's going on? It's braces vlog day. I get my teeth cleaned.
No, you're not. So we just got our teeth cleaned in April, but because I got braces, you know you're supposed to clean your teeth every 6 months. But because I have braces, I want to make sure I'm keeping up with that. So I booked another one, April, May, June, July. It's like 3 months, literally 3 minutes ago. And I'm just gonna clean my teeth again, because why not? So I took the wires off. This is just the brackets on. So come with me, guys. Stay tuned.
So guys, we are walking to
We
get.
parked in the garage, and then now we're walking. It's totally like right there, and then it's like right there, like. But the road is a little tricky. So yeah, guys. Yep, I paused it.
I never can catch that walk.
Oh, when they take 6 seconds,
We're run.
and it's all far with it.
We're run.
My mouth feels so weird.
You play with the tongue there.
And I don't know, it just it
Yeah,
doesn't see the roll.
The guys tell her to don't use her tongue. Push up at the teeth.
Look, let me a finger.
Hmm?
Look,
Oh.
you feel it? It's just like rough all the way around. It's just like naturally my tongue just wants to keep rubbing on it. Remember the wire is supposed to be there. So when I went and they took, because I have to wear rubber bands in like a triangle shape, and I was asking, because the rubber bands I have is like grayish, squarish, like a weird color. So I was like, they don't have no pretty colors. But she said for the small wire, like for the small little rubber bands that I have right now, that they don't have any colors for that. Like if I go in bigger rubber bands to like push back my bite or whatever, then yeah, they have different colors for that. But for now, no, unfortunately. Yeah, but my teeth, they're saying it's doing like so good. Like, yeah,
They're happy.
I'm happy because it's doing good, but then I'm sad because that means it's gonna come off really, and I don't want it to come off.
Right. Beauty.
Yeah,
Yeah?
because at first I was like, I can't wait for it to get off. That's before I got it done, but then now I'm like, I love it. Like, just knowing that I can change the colors every couple of weeks. The fun of it, like picking a new color, like when you go to the nail shop, like what color am I do? But yeah.
Come, road. Guys, you have to obey the stop sign over here. You have to walk when you say walk. Yeah. You
I'm so tired.
can't beat that one, yeah, your feet.
I'm gonna need a coffee.
Come on. Come on. Okay,
I don't think he just had me running across the road.
Mama care with me.
Oh Lord.
Oh. Guys, fine, you have to move fast. Tell them you can't move so fast.
I didn't sleep last night because I fell asleep early and then I woke up. And now I've been up all night and I have my last. So after I clean my teeth at 9:30, I have to go back to ortho at 12:25, and then I have work tonight. So pray for me, guys. I'm gonna need like coffee and
No coffee.
Celsius.
You can't drink when sugar.
No, I don't want that. I don't like this place.
What is building below 40 man?
That's not a building. That's a garage.
Garage. I'm gonna make money for the garage.
There's a lot of buildings and office space, though.
So fast and build it up.
How many hours you paid for at the parking
2.
there? Okay. My t-shirt should be finished cleaning by then. Then after, depends on what time that's done, then we'll have a little free time to just walk around before going back to our store to put it in. So yeah. What floor am I going?
I think that's 7. 7th floor.
I'll be forgetting.
doors open there, man.
Open the gate, you can just press that button and it opens.
What are you open on?
I don't know. Maybe it's broken.
Oh, stop. Man, stop. Man, oh, what are you doing?
It's in your hand, just stop it. Ugh. That's the elevator. We've been running from morning to catch the stop sign, catch the elevator. I'm early. I just don't like being late. It's 9:11. I just want to check in and be there. I don't know if I don't think I have to fill out anything when I come here, but who knows? Because I just started cleaning 3 months ago. This one I have to pay out of pocket. So yeah.
47.
This way. All them teeth look scary, you know.
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh. Why does it look scary?
Oh, okay. How are you doing? Guys, like every 6 months you have to come, you have to update like your information, like your medical history. So she's just updating her medical history. So stay tuned, follow us on our journey today.
You know what is here, the other toga or the old one? Hey guys, so my teeth cleaning is done. So I'm waiting back on the part though. So guys, my teeth is clean. Oh my god. So I was a little tense and he was going through some
No, we're not.
with his car. You know how men get when their car is like there's an issue. Like he was supposed to catch some of these clips. Like they did a scan on my mouth. Mind you, I just cleaned my teeth April. It's now July. So I was like a scan again. And then when I went there, all the people that I'm used to seeing, it's all new people. So I was like, like you know what I mean? Like when you're locked in with people and it's like all new people, it kind of threw me off. But yeah. So they clean my teeth. You know, I have card chains and whatever. So he was just saying that I need to like under here, but it's kind of hard to get because I have like the tongue crib. Guys, look, I have this tongue crib here because I have a tongue thrust and I usually it's on my thumb, but it's coming out today. Yes, Scott. Well, Scott said it's coming out today, guys, because I got something important. I got something important to do, and I can't have this in. And we'll update y'all later on what's coming, why I can't have it in. But yeah, so it's now 9:59, and my next appointment is not until 12:25. So I'm about to just walk around, and well, there's a problem with his car lights. I don't know if he's gonna sort that out now or just hang around this area, walk around until they put the wire back in. But whatever we do, I'll update you guys.
Yeah, guys, one of my like low beam out, so I need to go and change it. Yeah. Okay, we need to get one of them. What's up, guys? So I'm back. So this morning, one of my bulb went out, one of my low beam. So I'm gonna fix it now. It's simple. So I buy the parts from AutoZone. Simple bulb. Yeah, quick fix. It's just come with me while I fix this bulb really quick. Now feel pull it, you can get the bulb. You have the like it in a housing, like oh. Engine get hot guys, so under here hot. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the bulb is right here. This is the old bulb. This is the new one. But you know, like when you change a bulb, you need little grease to put on the housing. That's in case, like water. Yeah. But don't make your finger touch like the bulb. Yeah. It will blow really quick. Yeah, that clicking. Yeah. Quick and easy guys, and put on back the housing. So that secure the bulb, that's no water. Don't go on it. Yeah, and you just screw in back a screw. Quick change guys, quick change.
I'm so nervous.
So we're gonna tie you back in, and then he'll come over to remove it, okay?
Okay.
How's that? She usually comes in with you, that's why I'm like.
Right there to the face still, right? Turn towards me. Yeah, girl. Go around back here. I'm just gonna pop off the wall, just rinse, and come back.
Okay. Y'all look so good.
I'm gonna have you stand against this wall for me.
So can I take some updated photos of my mouth?
Good.
Hi guys, so I know in this part of the vlog you only see me for now because he ended up so I finished cleaning my teeth around 10 and then I walked around the mall a little bit and we went to Ross, but there was playing music, so I didn't pick it up. So then at 11 something, like 11:15, I was like, I'm already in the area, let me go check in and see, and they called me back. So my appointment was at 12:25. It's now 12 o'clock and I'm done. So I'm about to head home. But yeah. So yeah. It just, my roof of my mouth feels so weird because I don't have the tongue creep anymore. Like the roof still feel like something is there, like that was there that's pressing on it. So it feel like, you know, when someone was pressing on something, like it just feel way up in my roof of my mouth. Guys, so I chose black. Yeah, I chose black. So yeah. And yeah, my lips are so dry. And I was like, y'all don't got no. So I remember they got some chapstick with the, yeah. My ortho, he's Jamaican guy. He's so cool. And yeah, so he's like, don't go in and sucking no finger again.
No sucking a finger. No sucking.
So yeah, guys, that's it for the vlog. I'm about to go home. It's 12 o'clock. I got work at 7 and I have to leave out by 5. I'm about to go home and get some rest to get ready for the work. So thanks for coming with me, guys. See you guys in another video.
Bye.